push 80 David.
It does too. Another big rock up there on the right. Look at this. I love that all the trees here have got the Spanish moss on them. Look at that tree. Look at that. Oh, the further we go, the better it gets. Very cool. Love it.
Even got the noise in the background.
To navigate a few branches that are over. Well, that's certainly worth the walk down those stairs, isn't it? Walking down to waterfalls is you always have to walk back up, and we came down lots of stairs. Man, was it worth it. Very cool. Wow, that was certainly a real little taste of Hobbitville. Not where the movie was done, but I'm sure every bit as good. Waitanguru Falls. Oh no, Waitanguru Falls. Certainly worth it. Steep walk back up. Oh, but good. Certainly worth the walk. Well, we've recovered from our short walk to the waterfall, got our breath back.
Sure, just.
And heading just. The boys raced up, left me for dead. They stopped every now and then and checked on me. It was pretty steep, but short and steep, so it wasn't too bad. But more lovely rock formations up there on the left. And
worth the walk,
yeah, it was certainly worth the walk. Look at